Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your Steam gift card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your gift card. Locate your Steam gift card and make sure you have the redemption code ready. For physical cards, the code is usually on the back under a scratch-off panel. For e-gift cards, the code will be in the email you received. Step 2. Open Steam and log in. On your PC or Mac, open the Steam client or go to the Steam website. Log into your Steam account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to redeem your gift card. Step 3. Redeem your gift card. In the Steam client or on the website, navigate to Games in the top menu and select Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. Enter the gift card code and click Continue to complete the redemption. Once your gift card is successfully redeemed, you will see the updated Steam wallet balance in your account. Your Steam gift card is now ready to use for purchasing games, software, and other digital content. Step 5. Start shopping. You can now use your Steam wallet balance at checkout when purchasing items from the Steam store. Simply select your Steam wallet balance as the payment method. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.